first of all, let's start with the text. So I'm going to type in 11. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Like that. And then duplicate it by dragging down, holding Alt. And then let's double click on this, racing. Let's decrease the size of that. And then now, let's do the banner underneath. So we're going to create a rectangle like that for approximately. And now we need to arrange this and send it to the back. So once we have it selected, go to Arrange and send to back. And now let's press on the, we can see the race, we can't see the racing text because it's black and it's against a black background. So let's change that, go to Fill and white text. Like that. And now we're going to create this checkered flag. So let's get this, duplicate it by holding Alt, drag it down, Alt, like that. And then now, let's see how big we need to make it. Like that. And we can see here, when I made this, I made it with 5 squares in height. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can use this, the rectangular grid tool. We select that, and we can change how many squares we want it to have by double clicking on it. And I have now 4 dividers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which is going to produce 5 squares in height. So let's check it out. You can see like that. Let's drag it on top. Let's change the fill in order for us to be able to see it. Resize it in order for it to fit like that. Like that. Now I couldn't select this without selecting the racing text, because the racing text, the selection box is so big, so we can double click on this. Then it's going to be a smaller selection area for the text. So let's select this, drag it down a little bit for it to become easier to work with. And now once we have this all selected, we go to this, the shape builder tool. This is a really easy way to color in each square. So shape builder tool. I'm going to go up here to this, the color guide. And if you don't have this tool, you can go to Windows, Workspace, and then use Essential Classics. Then you'll get this tool right here. So let's press that tool. And then if you don't have this grayscale, then I would go down here to the edit color wheel, double click on that, and then click on this, the grays. So now we have grayscale going from dark to white. And then when we have this selected like this, we can just begin coloring it. So like that, there. And then let's do the next. And then a lighter color. And then the next color. Next one. And then you just keep going like this. And now we're just gonna do white. Like that. Then you can see here we have white in between, so I'm gonna remove that by deleting the stroke. Select it. Add it. And yeah, now there you have the logo that I initially created for a racing team. If you have any questions or comments, type them below. If you would like me to create a logo for you, just write to me and go to my website that's in the that I have in my description. Have a nice day. Bye bye.